Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Come test drive the 2024 CR-V Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, traction control. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.